Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, let's get started by popping out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device. Now, you don't need the tool that I grabbed right here, but you will need to have probably just a little bit of a strong fingernail to pull that off. There we go. Yep, never mind, I lied. You actually do need this tool, as there is a tray inside. Although, let me just quickly check. Well, let's see something if you can actually pull it out without the tool. There is a little bit of a lip, but it doesn't seem so. So yeah, I'm going to be using that, and you can see right if the light hits correctly. Come on, there we go. You can see there is a tiny little insert area right here, so grab it, and holy crap, this is, I'm not sure if that's long enough. Just what she said. Hopefully that's gonna do it. See if I can now pull it out. Yep, I can. As you can see, it's now pulling out. Okay, so on the tray you'll find space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. Let's grab our card, place it on here like so, and also our SIM card as well. There we go. Now when it comes down to SIM card, you can use one of these trays, it doesn't matter which one, or obviously both of them. Okay, then carefully insert it back into the device. There we go. And make sure you push it all the way in there. There we go. If your fingernails are short, you can just kind of use this and just push it down by pressing this entire tray down and close the flap. And you can see it's already working. So let me pop in my SIM card pin, which will unlock obviously the SIM card. And SD card should be working as well. So let's see in the notifications if we have any kind of info about that, and I can already see we do. There's an icon, and yep, there we go. So it's detecting both of them, no extra steps needed. So anyway, with that being said or shown, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.